Is Love Flow Drops legit or a scam? This video will talk about that.
So, this product right here is a supplement marketed for enhancing mental clarity, energy, and stress reduction. And it has generated mixed reviews regarding its legitimacy and effectiveness. So, its positive aspect is that this product right here contains natural ingredients like lion's mane, cordyceps, reishi, chaga, and more. It also has a third-party testing, which asserts that each batch undergoes third-party lab testing to ensure quality and purity. It also has some positive feedbacks from users that reported improvements in focus and energy levels after using the drops. Also, we have some red flags for this product right here. It says here that it is ineffective for some users. It also has some customer service issue with where it reports highlight in challenging obtaining refunds and poor customer support and experiences. It's it also has some lack of transparency and exaggerated claims from this product. So in conclusion is that this product is formulated with reputable natural ingredients and have received positive feedback from users. Products' inconsistent effectiveness may concern about customer or tentative because it varies from users to user. So if considering this supplement, it may be prudent to purchase a single bottle initially to assess its impact before making a large investment.